everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, nice to meet you. This is Miss Kells, but you can call me Kelechi. In this channel, we'll be learning about traveling, lifestyle, and life as a foreigner abroad. If you like these topics, please consider subscribing. Thank you. So today I'll be trying out something crazy. There is this app a friend introduced me to. She said it's gonna help me in my travelings. If you've been keeping up with this channel, you know I travel a lot. I'm going to be trying out this app today, and I know some of my followers too are travelers, and it's gonna be helping us. I hope, because I've not tried it. So if you are interested in this app, keep watching. So I already downloaded this app. It's called Couchsurfing. If you have heard of this app before, please comment below and let me know how to use it. So this app, basically, they say it can hook you up to people who can offer you accommodation, and also to people who can hang out with you, who are traveling in the same place with you. So I haven't used this app before. I cannot say this is the truth or this is what this app does. So we're going to be trying this app together. We're going to learn how to use it together, and also find out if this is real. Is it really going to hook us up with people who are gonna give us free accommodation? Really? Let's see. So here I'll be sharing on my screen. You're gonna see what I'm doing here on the screen. So this is what the app looks like. So this is it. Let me search for a location. Where am I going to? Let's say I'm going to Dalian. So in Dalian, I see host and I see traveler, basically people who are traveling the same place as I am. So here we have 1,992 hosts in Dalian. That's a big one. Arrives. Okay, let me choose a date. Let's say in August 14th, and coming back on, let's say, 24th. Save selection. So this is to enable like the app to search for people who are traveling in that particular time, and hosts who have vacancy, who don't have people they're hosting yet in that particular time. So right now the host has increased to 1,000 or reduced to 1,956. So now we have all the hosts. This is amazing, don't you think? We can just choose anyone we like and send them message. Please, can you host me? This is all interesting. I hope you're learning, because I am learning. Okay, here we have the first person. Okay, let's check out. Oh, I need data. Let's check. Okay, so let's check out the references. I need someone who has reference, a lot of reference, and who is an accepting guest and a verified member for security reason. So this guy has no reference, but he's a verified member. Okay, let's see. Let's leave him on pending. No reference, not verified. No reference. I need someone who has reference. Oh yeah, here it says 10 references, and he knows my friend. So this is like the best person to apply to. Say request to stay. So I'm gonna send her a request. Hello, this is Miss Kells. These days. Send. Let me send. Sent. So I'm gonna be sending for like 5 people, and I have to be careful to get those who are, I have to be very careful to get those who are referenced. In reference, I mean, for instance, this is reference. Let's go to his reference and see what it is. So this is like people recommending. He's a wonderful person. She's so nice and hospitable, and she's fun and creative. So these guys have stayed with him before, so it's like they are referencing him. There are 6 hosts, people that hosted him, 2 surfers that surfed with him, and 1 personal recommendation, just random recommendation. So this is like legit. That's what I imagine. It's legit for people, except maybe, you know, he manipulated, but most likely he wouldn't. I don't know. So I'm gonna look for more people 5 more people with high references. 41 references. Let's see this person. 41 12 surfers, 13 hosts, and 16 personal. I'm definitely gonna be writing to this person. I'm so definitely gonna be writing to this person. So let's write to him, request to stay. So basically I wrote to 5 people who I want them to host me in Dalian, and I hope they respond. If they respond, that means this is real. So let's see if this is scam or real. So let's move on to fellow travelers. Let's move on to hooking up with people, maybe boys or girls. So I'm gonna be writing to these travelers to like meet up for a drink or for something, I don't know, and see if any of them responds. Message: would you be chanced to hang out? Okay, send. So I sent him a message, Andrew. Okay, so I'm gonna be sending a message to these 3 other people, see who's gonna respond to us. I hope they respond to us. So that's it, guys. I'll get back to you as soon as they respond to my messages. I hope this works because it's gonna be really fun to get someone who's gonna host me for free, and some people who are gonna be hanging out with me. This is awesome. If this works, then I'm gonna recommend it to you all to try it out. Stay tuned, let's see if it works. Basically, I waited for 24 hours to make this video. I'm so excited right now. I don't know if I should scream. Guys, 3 people responded to my request from Dalian. So this is real, like seriously, this is real. And I got like 3 other responses to hang out with me. So guys, I tried another city called Xi'an. This is like for real because I want to travel to Xi'an very soon, and I got 3 responses for Xi'an. Oh my goodness. So they sent me messages and we've been chatting all since yesterday. It's been amazing. They are really kind people. They're willing to like do anything. They have extra bed for me. They have this, they have that. I'm ready to share my food with you. I can come and pick you up. I can hang out with you if you like. I have time. I'm not working. This is all they've been telling me since yesterday. They're like, kind. I'm like, is this real? How can people dedicate their life and their time to other people just to help travel? This is amazing. So these are the messages I got from people. Okay, some of them declined my request, like they are traveling or they are going to do something else or something like that. But I have a few of them who accepted to meet up with me. For instance, I have this guy called Nicholas. We're gonna meet up. I have a host. His name, he lives in Shishan, but he said, "Hi Jennifer, it's David. I'm from Georgia. I'm living and working in Xi'an. I can host you in case if you're not allergic to cats and if you are not a serial killer." Oh my god, this is so funny. I can't believe you can just use an app to get free accommodation. But here, the only thing you have to do is like maybe share your culture, your language, your song, or anything. Just you have to offer them something because they're offering you something. So maybe I'm gonna teach them my language. I'm not sure yet. When I get there, I'll let you guys know what I did. If you have used this app before, if there is something I didn't do properly, just let me know in the comment section. So if you are traveling, don't be scared to try out things. Go on the internet, ask questions. People are gonna recommend things to you, and use Couchsurfer and all the other apps. If you have more apps, traveling apps I don't know about or that can help me in my travelings, please let me know, okay? And I hope you learn 1 or 2 things from this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see what happened after now, watch my next video because I'll be traveling to Xi'an, my next video, and I will be making a video about how this whole thing went. I hope you stay tuned and you stay connected with me so you watch what happens next. So please subscribe if you haven't connected with me. I'd like to know you and I'd like you to know me too. You can follow me on Instagram. My link is down below. See you next time. Bye bye.